Everyone, DS3 here, and I know I haven't been posting videos recently, but the problem is that I've been having some motivation issues, I guess you can call it that. I've decided to make this video because I was motivated by having no motivation. Ironic, I know. But I've decided that I'm gonna make this video anyways. It's sort of just like an update because my friends have been saying, when are you gonna make your next video? When are you gonna do this? When are you gonna do that? So I just decided to do it now anyways. I'm outside, it's a freezing cold day, but I'm doing this for you guys anyways. So, yeah. It's school holidays. Only for a week. The most interesting thing that's happened to me recently is I went to this maths fun day, I guess you could call it that, at UCT in Cape Town, Western Cape, South Africa, just in case you're watching this overseas. And while it went pretty well, there was a competition as well, and I actually went onto the local radio station here in Bredasdorp for like an interview with my one friend who was also there, and the interview goes as follows. I got the sound clip, so I'll let you guys listen to it. But the other guy is speaking in Afrikaans, so if you're watching this and you have no understanding of Afrikaans, you won't understand a word he is saying. But trust me, I don't think most of it the interviewer understood either. But yeah, this is how it goes.
Ons kyk hierso by Radio Oeverberg saam met die leerders van Hoërskool Bredasdorp en nou verskuif ons aandag van toutrek na iets bietjie meer akademies. En by my in die ateljee het ons nou van graad 9 leerders afgeskuif na die senior leerders toe. Dis 2 graad 12 seuns. Dis Heston Spamer. Goeiemiddag Heston.
Goeiemiddag Rudy.
Dis jou eerste keer hier in die ateljee.
Ja, is my eerste keer.
Lekker. Number 2. And then welcome as well to Kyle Steele, also grade 12 learner.
Yes, thank you very much.
You guys participated in a maths day at UCT. Carl, tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, it was rather more like a fun day.
Yeah?
Where we arrived at UCT and we went to the special building. We went into the lecture hall and they told us all about how they're going to plan it out first. There was 2 lectures, and in between the lectures there would be a competition.
All right.
First lecture was about physics, most importantly string theory. And they explained all about the universe and how the universe was created and the whole Big Bang Theory.
That sounds a lot to like the Big Bang Theory to me, and half the time I don't understand anything about them. But Heston, vertel gou vir my, ek het nou van die lug af het ons so vinnig gesels en ek het dit verwar met die Olimpiade by UCT en hulle sê dit is nie so nie, dit is 'n wiskunde dag hierdie. Na die twee lectures wat julle nou gehad het julle nou toe, soos hy nou sê, 'n kompetisie ook gehad. Hoe dit nou gewerk?
Ja, ons het die kompetisie gehad en toe is almal opgedeel in groepe van 4. En elke persoon in die groep moet van 'n verskillende skool wees. En toe het ons halfte van die leerders na 'n ander amper sê lecture hall gegaan. En toe het ons die wiskunde kompetisie gedoen. Dis 30 vrae van verskillende moeilikheid. En toe het ons dit ingaan, toe dis nou tussen die 2 lectures gewees.
Well, alright, ja.
En toe het Karl se groep 3 geëindig.
Fantasties, Carl. So, was it, a stupid question, was it difficult?
It was actually rather difficult. We actually had to formulate a strategy of how we would answer the questions in that team of 4.
Alright.
What we decided to do was split up into 2 individual teams, where one team would answer the even questions and the other team would answer the odd questions.
Alright, so you concentrated on your section then, obviously.
Yes.
That. Yeah.
Yes.
And the guys in your group, from what schools were they?
The one was from Tableview.
Yeah.
The other was from a French school.
Alright.
He spoke French very well.
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly where the other school was,
Alright.
but it was definitely Western Cape
Ja,
oriented.
Baie skole, baie leerders vir die wiskundedag bygewoon het, Heston?
Ja, ek moet sê, as ek moet raai, sal ek sê daar was so wat 200 mense gewees daar.
Ja, dis heel wat, nee. 'n Lang dag, was it a long day, Kyle?
Not really, actually.
Is it? 2 lectures to sitting there and listen to that. Obviously, you've got to be interested in what they tell you. And then with the competition in between, did you get something out of it? Did you feel you actually you've learned something? Did you gain some knowledge out of that?
Yes, actually I did. I learned quite a lot about physics.
All right.
But it's not even a subject that I take at school. But
I was going to ask you, do you have physics at school?
No, actually I don't. But I still find it very fascinating.
Yeah.
And the stuff that he explained to us was all new stuff to me. But I still found it very, very interesting.
Het jy wetenskap op skool?
Ja, ek het fisiese wetenskap.
Kon jy ietsie daarvan verstaan? Kon dit sin gemaak vir jou? Het jy iets nuuts gehoor of geleer?
Ja, ek het baie goed niets geleer. Soos by skool doen ons daar was soos 'n lecture op particle physics gewees meestal. Op die skool leer ons net oor 3 deeltjies, dis die proton, neutron en elektron. En daar het ons geleer oor dat daar 7 verskillende soorte deeltjies wat eintlik proton en neutron ook maak. So proton en neutron is nie die kleinste deeltjies in die atoom nie.
Ek moet vir julle albei sê terwyl ons met mekaar te gesels, so ek het julle heeltemal verloor toe julle begin gesels het oor die lectures en so aan. Ek het nie regtig 'n klou waarvan julle praat nie, maar dit klink vir my verskriklik fascinerend en ek is bly julle verstaan waaroor dit gaan. Net so ter afsluiting, sê gou vir my, julle is nou albei in graad 12. Beplan jy iets in 'n wiskundige rigting? Obviously het jy 'n liefde vir wiskunde.
Ja, dis naby aan wiskunde. Ek wil rekenaarwetenskappe gaan studeer na skool. Ek wil baie graag by UCT gaan studeer. En dit het baie te doen met wiskunde. Jy moet universiteit wiskunde vat om daai graad te kry.
Alright. Kyle, and yourself?
I was thinking of more studying in the business sector.
Alright.
But I still have a very high passion for maths.
But obviously, if you're going into the business sector, you'll have to know about figures anyway. Yeah.
Yes, we definitely do.
Well, congratulations on your 3rd place, and really glad you came to visit me. I'm really glad that I really don't know what you two guys are talking about, but still, it's fascinating. It's nice to have some intellectuals in the studio for a change. Congratulations, and all the best for the exams. You guys are currently busy with your exams, and it's very important. It's your first exams towards the end of the year.
Yes.
And all the best, and all the best for the future.
Baie dankie.
Thank you very much.
Alright, dit was Kyle Steele van graad 12 en Heston Spamer ook van graad 12. Het was vertel van hulle wiskundedag verlede Saterdag daar by die UCT campus. En die twee intellektueles het by teer mekaar gepraat hier op Radio Boeverberg. Kom ons gaan luister musiek en ek by Wits About kan kry. Ons luister na Connie de Villiers se Kromie Man.
So yeah, that was a sound clip, and another update is that I'm busy making some Halo armor out of cardboard. It's going pretty well, actually. I've nearly completed the helmet. This is taking me on and off about 8 months, but I mean I only really work during school holidays. And I already finished sort of like the chest piece, back piece. Now I just need to do the legs, arms, and that other piece. And yeah, then that'll be done. Then I just need to spray paint it, which is going to be pretty fun, seeing the end product after I've spray painted it. And yeah, that's going to be pretty awesome. Yeah. Then there's going to be the next term of school, and there's going to be a nice long holiday after that. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I was thinking about maybe changing the name of this to something like, I don't know, DS3 vlogs. So just so that I can branch out, so I can do this bipolar diary, I guess. Then I could do maybe a gaming vlog, an everyday life vlog. I don't know, just in case. Whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. If you want to post a comment, I'll post my Twitter into the description. I've got my Facebook page up and running. I know that has been very inactive, but I'll post that up as well, and also my Google Plus. You guys can contact me either way you want. You can contact me on Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter. So yeah, sorry about that. I've just got a shiver. It's so cold. And yeah, also you can leave a comment, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, don't go hating on me. I'm just kidding. So yeah, just leave a like if you like the video. Leave a comment if you want to contact me. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. And I'm going to go inside and warm up because I'm literally dying of frostbite. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Sun U3 out.